Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to conduct a two-sample t-test in JMP assuming equal variances among the groups. So for example, I have taken a data here where the groups are male and female, they are coded as 1 and 2, and we want to find out whether the number of miles driven by the coded gender 1 and 2 they significantly differ or not. Now make sure that your y variable is identified by JMP as a continuous variable, and the column which contains the group information is identified as a nominal variable. If not so, then you can change them by double clicking on the header row here, and you can change its data type and modeling type to suit your needs. Right now the JMP is identifying them correctly. To conduct the two-sample t-test, assuming equal variances among the groups, that means among the group number 1 and 2 or gender 1 and 2, go to Analyze, choose Fit by X, then drag and drop gender or your column which contains the group information into this particular role, which is X comma factor, and then Y variable or the thing that on which you are basically conducting, or the data that you have, you drag and drop in this particular role, and then click on OK. You will see this result here. Now click on this inverted right triangle, choose the second option as we are conducting a two-sample t-test assuming equal variances among the groups, and JMP will append the output here. You can look at the corresponding p-value depending upon your alternate hypothesis. If it is of not equal to type, you will look at this particular p-value. If your alternate hypothesis is greater than type, you will look at this particular p-value, and if it is of less than type, then you will look at this particular p-value. Also make sure that the hypothesis of your interest is formulated by JMP as you have formulated. For example, JMP in this case is formulating the hypothesis as mean of the second group minus mean of the first group. Now suppose if you want to formulate, if your hypothesis is formulated as mean of first group minus mean of second group, you can do two things. Either you look at the opposite sign p-value, or you can actually make the changes in the data itself, so that the JMP actually conducts the group 1 minus group 2 hypothesis. So to do so, select the header row of the grouping variable column. Now go to column properties. Here go to the value order. Under the value order, you will see that the JMP has listed group 1 and group 2. This is the custom order. So how JMP formulates the hypothesis is, it always formulates based on the group 2 minus group 1, basically the lower value minus the upper value. Now what we need to do is we have to just reverse the order. To do so, either you can click on reverse, or you can select this 2 and click here to move it up. So now 2 is up and 1 is at the bottom. So now the hypothesis that will be the test that will be conducted by the JMP will be mu1 minus mu2, because JMP follows the principle that whatever the value is at the bottom, that comes first, and then the value that is at the top, that comes second, or the group is at the top, that comes second. Now click on apply here, click OK, go to analyze, again fit y by x, the same thing, and pool t. Now you will see that the hypothesis has changed to mu1 minus mu2 here. So that's how you conduct a two-sample t-test in JMP assuming equal variance.